Conversation is the lifeblood of human interaction. It's how we connect, share ideas, and build relationships. Good conversation skills are essential for navigating daily life, from ordering coffee to making new friends. Whether you're at work, school, or socializing, the ability to communicate effectively is invaluable. Imagine a world without conversation. It would be a lonely and isolating place. Conversation allows us to express ourselves, understand others, and build bridges of understanding. It's a fundamental aspect of what makes us human. Effective communication is crucial in personal and professional settings. It fosters trust, resolves conflicts, and strengthens bonds. By honing your conversation skills, you open doors to new opportunities and enrich your life in countless ways. One of the most fundamental principles of conversation is turn-taking. Like a graceful dance, a good conversation flows smoothly as speakers alternate between speaking and listening roles. Interrupting constantly disrupts this flow and creates confusion. Visualize a basketball game. Players pass the ball back and forth, each taking turns to dribble, shoot, and score. Similarly, in a conversation, we take turns contributing our thoughts and ideas. To ensure a balanced conversation, pay attention to cues that indicate when it's your turn to speak. These cues can be verbal, like a pause or a direct question, or non-verbal, such as a nod or eye contact. Active listening is just as important as speaking in a conversation. It involves fully concentrating on what the other person is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. This means putting aside distractions, maintaining eye contact, and showing genuine interest in their words. Imagine you're reading a captivating book. You immerse yourself in the story, eager to uncover each plot twist and character development. Active listening is similar. It requires focus and engagement to truly understand the speaker's message. Nodding your head, asking clarifying questions, and summarizing the speaker's points are all ways to demonstrate active listening. By doing so, you show respect for the speaker and ensure that you're both on the same page. Politeness is the oil that keeps conversations running smoothly. Using polite language, such as please and thank you, shows respect and consideration for the other person. It also helps create a more positive and enjoyable conversational atmosphere. Think of politeness as a social currency. When you use it generously, you build goodwill and foster positive relationships. Conversely, being impolite can damage your reputation and hinder your ability to connect with others. In addition to using polite language, it's important to be mindful of your tone of voice and body language. Speaking in a friendly and approachable manner while maintaining appropriate eye contact can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Section 5, Common Phrases, the building blocks of conversation. Mastering common English phrases is essential for navigating everyday conversations. Greetings like, "Hello, how are you?" and farewells like, "It was nice talking to you," provide a framework for starting and ending interactions politely. Think of these phrases as the building blocks of conversation. They may seem simple, but they are essential for establishing rapport and signaling your intentions. Just as a builder needs bricks to construct a house, we need these phrases to build meaningful conversations. Other useful phrases include, "Excuse me, could you please repeat that?" and "I understand." By incorporating these phrases into your vocabulary, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of conversational situations. Section 6, Cultural Nuances, Appreciating Different Styles. It's important to remember that conversational styles can vary significantly across cultures. What might be considered polite in one culture could be perceived as rude in another. For example, direct eye contact is valued in some cultures, while in others it's considered disrespectful. Imagine traveling to a foreign country with different customs and traditions. Just as you would research local etiquette before your trip, it's essential to be aware of cultural differences in communication styles. When interacting with people from different backgrounds, be open-minded and observant. Pay attention to their non-verbal cues and try to adapt your communication style accordingly. Remember, effective communication is about building bridges, not walls. Section 7. Overcoming the fear of making mistakes. One of the biggest obstacles to mastering English conversation is the fear of making mistakes. It's natural to feel nervous when speaking in a language you're still learning. However, it's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Think of a child learning to ride a bike. They might fall several times before they find their balance. Similarly, making mistakes in conversation is a natural part of the learning process. Embrace these mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. The key is to not let fear paralyze you. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to ask questions, clarify misunderstandings, and laugh at yourself when you make a mistake. Section 8. Practice makes perfect, honing your conversational skills. Like any skill, mastering English conversation requires consistent practice. The more you use the language, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers, whether it's through language exchange programs, online communities, or simply striking up conversations with English-speaking acquaintances. Imagine a musician practicing an instrument. They dedicate countless hours to honing their craft, gradually improving their technique and musicality. Similarly, consistent practice is crucial for developing your conversational fluency. Don't underestimate the power of immersing yourself in English-speaking environments. Watch movies, listen to music, and read books in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the journey of language learning. Mastering English conversation is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning. By following these tips and approaching conversation with a positive attitude, you'll unlock a world of opportunities and enrich your life in countless ways. Remember, communication is about connecting with others, sharing ideas, and building relationships. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. The rewards of effective communication are well worth the effort.